Hello everybody and welcome back to a new video on my channel. Today is a very special day because I have two topics to clear off today. The first point today is what's in this box. Whatever is in this box right now, we are gonna unbox. So yeah. And what's number two? Number two is a very special topic because somebody commented on one of my last videos. I think it was on the English version of the Project Showcase Part 3, which absolutely went crazy in views, which I'm very thankful for. So thank you guys at first for the support on the latest videos. You don't know what this means to me. But what's special about this one guy? There was one guy which commented on it who is from Canada, and he said, I don't know exactly what he said, but I think he was very okay. So yeah, let's do this again because I'm lost for words. So because English is my native language, so sometimes I have to think a bit longer about what I'm gonna say. But at first, George, I hope I can call you that, from George's Miniature Cars. Thank you so much for the comment. As I already said in my answer to that, I really appreciate it. Greetings to Canada, I'm sorry. Thank you again for all the support and the shout out on your channel. So how can I repay it? Very simply. Guys, if you want to check out George's Miniature Cars channel, it's linked down in the description. So yeah. Thank you again and enjoy the video. Okay, anyways, let's get started with this one before I make a 10-minute video without actually doing the stuff in the 10-minute video. Okay, so let's get started, but of course we're gonna need to open the box first. And yes, the space might be a bit oh, okay, so a little change of plans. This one we aren't gonna unbox today. Why? Because I'm gonna tell you why, because later. So yeah, I'm gonna put them out because I see it on the camera. You almost can't see nothing except the box, which isn't ideal. So yeah. Okay, so yes, as you can see, this is the entire set of the, as of my knowledge, if I'm wrong, please correct me in the comments, the newest Hot Wheels Pearl and Chrome set. This is the entire set, including the chase. So yeah, why is this the chase? Because among many people this is called the chase because if we compare it to the other cars, I'm gonna take it out of the protector really quick so it's better and you don't have too much reflection. Yes, as you can see, if you compare it to the other cars, the color scheme is inverted. So many call this the chase because of that. So yeah. And this is actually my first ever chase I have in my collection. So yeah, I'm grateful for that as well. Wish I had it bought twice when I got the chance to, but I didn't. So yeah, but one is enough for one collector. So yeah. But this one I'm obviously not gonna unbox because I don't have a second one of that, and until I have a second one of the chase, I'm gonna keep it sealed. So yeah. But these 5, I have all 5 ordered again, so all 5 are gonna come a second time to me. So I can unbox these 5, so I have them then once loose, once sealed. So as I like it in my collection. So yeah, let's get started. We're gonna start at number 1 of 6 with the Ford Sierra Cosworth. Ooh. Hey, you can see my phone in the reflection. Really cool. So yeah, 87 Ford Sierra Cosworth. Really beautiful car in my opinion. Really well done. This car has a black interior, as some of the other cars have as well, but some cars also have the chrome this base in this black and the black interior in this chromish paint. I'm gonna call it chromish paint because I don't actually know exactly what it is. So, next up at number 2 of 6, we have the Nissan Silvia S14 Drift. You can see what I've meant. Black base versus a chrome base. But for that, some details are in the chromish color, whereas here it's in this black. But yeah, this car is my second favorite of this set. Simply because I didn't have a Nissan Silvia S14 yet. I have a couple S15s and S13s, but not even a single S14, so this is the first one, and it's a really nice one. So yeah, nice little details. I love how you can see the entire front. Is this little bubble? I think you can you see it on the camera? Is this supposed to be the air intake? I think. This is obviously the cooler. Radiant, I think it's called in English, sorry. So yeah, really nice one. At number 3 of 6, we have the 2020 Toyota GR Supra. And this is a absolutely, in my opinion, absolutely gorgeous casting, and that's why it's on my this is my favorite car from this set. So yeah, really nice. Of course, all of these are, as silver lines normally are, metal body, plastic chassis, plastic tires. But this one feels very heavy, so I don't know if this one actually has a metal base as well to make this chromish base, chromish style, so I'm not sure. But this feels heavier than the other two yet. And this one is not obviously the heaviest, not because it's the biggest, but because, as you can see maybe in the reflection, the base looks metal as well, but the tires seem to be not rubber, but normal plastic. But yeah, enough about the chase for now. Before people in the comments call me that I'm only going to do this video because of the chase. No, not because of that. Because I wanted to unbox this for months, so finally I have it. Nice roll cage. Are these bucket seats? I don't know. Looks a bit like it, but I could be wrong. So wait, these are bucket seats, as you can see in the from this angle. The left seat, there are two seat finger versus car. Two seat belts. There's seat belts. I don't know what they are called in English. Sorry. Go down the seat. Then in normal car, which is only one, which goes diagonal and not straight. So yeah, probably are. Anyways, let's get on to number 4 of 6, the tuned Volkswagen Golf Mark 1. This one wasn't. This one don't want to be unboxed, I guess. Come. Dankeschön. Thank you. Why? Money. Hey! Stay where you are. You know what? This video is already a chaos, so why not make it more chaotic as we go? So yeah. I'm gonna be honest, this is actually my least favorite car from this entire set. Not because I dislike old German cars. I'm German, as I said already a couple of times, so I don't hate on German cars, because simple as that, because I'm German. So yeah, but I'm simply not a fan of this tuned series. So yeah, if you like them, really great, really cool. I think that I can understand why people like it, but it's just not for me. I like more the realistic cars than the tuned versions, even though these are, never mind, these are not normal real cars, but just in a different art style. But yeah. Okay, and the last one for today, the number 5 of 6, the tuned twin mill. The tuned ones don't wanna get boxed, I think. Okay. Really beautiful. The twin mill has such an interesting story, in my opinion. From a fantasy casting back in the 1990s, and then in the early 2000s or mid 2000s, it got transformed into a real car. So you can't technically even call it a fantasy casting anymore. So yeah, but really nice. So yeah. Okay. Okay, and with this, we are already done with today's video. Thank you so much for watching until the end. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, and a new subscribe to the channel would be nice as well. And then I wish you a very wonderful rest of your day, and I see you again in the next video. Until then, have a wonderful time. Don't forget to check out George, link in description as promised. And then, bye bye.